In a vibrant forest, there lived a young butterfly named Lila. She was known for her colorful wings and her lightness in flight, but unlike her animal friends who possessed extraordinary abilities, Lila considered herself fragile and useless. The monkeys were clever and agile, jumping easily between the trees, the deer were fast, dashing through the forest at great speeds, and the birds sang melodies that enchanted everyone around. Feeling inferior, Lila spent her days trying to do something that would prove her importance. She tried to run like the deer, but her tiny insect legs didn't take her far. Then, she tried to imitate the monkeys, jumping from branch to branch, but her delicate wings couldn't handle the weight of the jumps, and she quickly fell. Tired of trying to be something she wasn't, Lila decided to simply fly, as she always did, floating between the flowers and feeling the wind on her wings, still unsure how she could contribute to life in the forest. One morning, the forest was struck by a sudden drought. The plants wilted, the water sources were disappearing, and the animals, worried, didn't know what to do. The birds flew far in search of water, the deer tried to run to other areas, and the monkeys became restless, looking for any sign of help, but the drought affected everything around them. It was then that Lila, flying gently over the wilted flowers, noticed something. The plants were losing their colors, and the few remaining flowers seemed unable to reproduce. With her light wings, she began moving from flower to flower, transferring pollen from one to another, without realizing that she was helping to pollinate the plants struggling to survive. By doing this, Lila gave the flowers a chance to grow again, generating new seeds and keeping the life of the forest in motion. Little by little, the plants began to bloom once more. As the vegetation recovered, the animals found hope, and the forest began to regenerate. The other animals finally realized that Lila's lightness was not a weakness, but a blessing. She was essential to the renewal of life in the forest. Moral of the story: true strength often lies in small actions, which may seem insignificant but have the power to transform the world around you.